Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to download copyright-free music on YouTube Studio using just your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search Google right here. Click on here, then go ahead and type in studio.youtube.com. Hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on continue to studio. Then you'll be asked to log in with your YouTube account, and it's going to take you to the interface of your channel right here. Next thing you want to do, let me go and zoom out right here, zoom out right here, zoom out right here, zoom out right here, zoom out right here until you get to this. Go ahead and click on this. Then it take you to audio library right here. So here we go. So let me zoom in. So we have a lot of music right here. So you can see under the music tab right here. So you can scroll down right here, and then the more you scroll down, the more you see much music. You can swipe this way, and then you have about 1,000 plus next page. If you are not satisfied with anyone from the home page right here, click on here. This will allow you to go to next page, and it's going to load more music. A page contains about 30 different music right here, and then you can check on the music duration just like what you see right here. So if you find out that you see anyone you want to download, it is all for free. Like for instance, if I want to download this forever ever, first thing first, you can click on here. This allows you to listen to the sound before you to music before you download. So let's click. So if you are not satisfied with that, you can check on another one. Let's try Only Me. So I'm satisfied with this. Next thing we want to do is to swipe this way, this way, and this way. And then we'll go ahead and hit on download right here. Just like so, downloading file, and successfully download. So if I click on open, the sound will start to play on my phone right here. So the music has been successfully downloaded without any stress. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.